Welcome to the tutorial on the audio element. In order to use the audio element, you simply click on it or drag it into the editor. You click on the element itself and the editor on the right hand side shows up. As you can see, here you can choose to upload your own sound file. You wait for it to upload and you can play it and even download it. You can also choose to reset it and record your own sound file via the microphone. You click, you record, my name is, stop. You can listen to the recording itself and choose whether you want to try again or use the actual recording. Due to microphone restrictions, I can't record an audio file right now since I'm recording the tutorial. By saving the lesson, you can see what the lesson looks like. Here you can see the audio element. If you go back to the editor and select Extended Player, save the lesson, refresh the page, you will see that you get more options with the Extended Player. That's the audio element.